He was sniffing your
Ow,
head.
my shoulder. My shoulder.
He's hurting your shoulder?
Yeah. Ow! You want hit my head. Where is he at now?
He's behind you.
Oh, that's not cute. Oh, he's not talking. Stop.
All right, don't touch.
No, yeah.
No. Shh.
You stop.
Oh, stop!
Ah!
I'm filming, Lila.
Oh, jeez, what the heck are you doing for? Let go, let go, let go. Ah, hey. So, I don't realize why you like this. Ah, man. Ah, man. Let go, let go. Don't get up. Get on. Get two, put the two.
No. Jensen, gentle.
Toby hold, Toby hold, Toby hold, Toby hold, Toby hold.
Oh.
Oh!
All right, leave him alone. He's nervous.
His tail's under there.
All right. See, he just didn't. You didn't have a good grip on him.
I did it.
No. Hi, Beatrice.
Does he hate me?
Yes. Hello.
Does he hate me?
No, he was just nervous. No. Say hello.
Hello.
You gotta hold your finger nice and steady, or else he doesn't feel secure. See? I think you're making him nervous. Right, I'll hold him for a little bit.
No.
Say bye. Say hello.
Hello. Can I pet him like this?
Yeah. He's a nice bird.
Why does you don't like it? Hold him like this.
No, he just probably doesn't really like to be pushed down like that.
I just know.
Alright, no, let go of him.
What did he say?
He said stop.
Oh.
He said, I don't care for that.
Oh. Which means yes.
No.